Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Come with me to this sunflower garden. I've never went before, so it's my first time, and I'm just taking you guys along to see what it's gonna be like. Okay guys, so I got this watermelon lemonade and one of their homemade cookies. It has a sunflower on it. And then I'm gonna try their famous, what's it called, watermelon sandwich. So
I hope the pizza.
It's not bad.
I like it.
But I don't know, I like the watermelon. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. But the brown sauce tastes a lot like vinegar, and I'm not like a fan of vinegar stuff, but it doesn't taste that bad, especially when you have it with the watermelon and the bread.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try the watermelon lemonade now to see how it tastes. It just tastes like lemonade. It's good. Try it. It's good. Not too sweet either. This is good.
Lemonade.
Okay, we also ordered the, was it spicy honey pizza, and we just got it because it was being made. Yeah, they made it fresh out of the oven. Here you go. Let's try it. And it's hot. It's good. I taste the honey and the spice.
You got that.
Guys, I got my blue raspberry slushie. Tastes super good. I don't remember the name of this cookie, but it was some kind of chai something cookie. Let's try it. Gingerbready, kind of.
The truth is fitting, 'cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie.
also got the jar of honey, which was, I don't know, it's their honey. They make it fresh, like the bees create them and make them, because they had like the beehive thingy, so that's where they make the honey. We got a large bottle of it, pure honey, and I can't wait to try this. But yeah, we are home now, and I'm honestly so tired, but I had so much fun, and the sunset part was honestly my favorite part. It was beautiful, and I love sunsets so much. But all the sunflowers and everything was so beautiful. The food was good, the treats were good, so honestly I had a blast. But I also want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.